Are you thinking about getting a loyal, protective, and intelligent dog? If so, you've probably come across two of the most admired breeds in the world, the German Shepherd and the Doberman. Both of these dogs are known for their strength, loyalty, and impressive guarding instincts. But choosing between them isn't easy. They may seem similar at first glance, but they have some key differences that can make one a better fit for you than the other. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of German Shepherds and Dobermans. You'll learn how they behave around families. You'll see how they handle training, how much care they need, and which one is more suitable for your lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a loyal companion, a working dog, or a fierce protector, this comparison will help you decide which breed truly matches your needs. German Shepherds are often seen working with the police or military. They're calm, focused, and incredibly smart. They're great with kids and loyal to their owners. Dobermans, on the other hand, are fast, powerful, and extremely alert. They don't back down when it comes to protecting their home. They're also highly trainable and bond closely with their families. But which breed is easier to live with? Which one sheds more? Which dog is better for a busy household? And how much time do you really need to invest in daily care, training, and exercise? These are the questions that matter most when choosing the perfect dog. We'll cover all of them in this video. We're not here to pick a winner. We're here to give you the facts. You'll see the pros and cons of each breed, based on real experiences and expert advice. So before you make one of the biggest decisions of your life, make sure you watch till the end. This video might just save you from a lifetime of mismatched expectations. If you're ready to find out which powerful, loyal, and intelligent breed is right for you, let's get started. German Shepherd versus Doberman. Let the comparison begin. 1. Temperament. When comparing the temperament of German Shepherds and Dobermans, it is important to understand that both breeds are intelligent, loyal, and protective, but they express these traits in different ways. German Shepherds are calm, steady, and focused, with a natural instinct to protect their family while maintaining a composed demeanor. They are known for their ability to stay level-headed in stressful situations, which is one reason they are commonly used in police, military, and search and rescue work. They are attentive and obedient, often waiting for clear commands before taking action. This makes them ideal for structured households, where consistency and discipline are maintained. Dobermans, on the other hand, are more intense, alert, and driven by a strong protective instinct. They are quick to respond to unfamiliar situations, often positioning themselves between their owner and a perceived threat. This breed is courageous and assertive, and while they are also highly trainable, they tend to need firmer, more confident leadership to prevent dominant behavior. Dobermans bond closely with their family, especially with one person in particular, and they thrive on companionship. Without enough attention or exercise, they can become restless, anxious, or overly protective. German Shepherds are generally more tolerant of strangers, though they remain wary and observant. They do not usually show aggression unless provoked or trained to guard. Dobermans are more likely to be suspicious of new people and may react quickly if they feel something is wrong. This makes them excellent watchdogs, but it also means they require careful socialization from an early age. Both breeds have a strong desire to protect, but German Shepherds tend to think before they act, while Dobermans may act swiftly, especially when guarding their territory or family. Emotionally, German Shepherds are more even-tempered and predictable. They do well in families with children, other pets, and varying levels of activity. Dobermans are affectionate and loyal as well, but they may be better suited for active adults or families with older children who understand boundaries. Both breeds need regular mental stimulation, daily exercise, and early training to develop balanced, stable temperaments. In the right environment, either breed can become a loyal, brave, and dependable companion, but understanding their unique emotional traits is key to choosing the right dog for your lifestyle. 2. Trainability. Trainability is one of the most important factors to consider when choosing a dog breed, especially when looking at intelligent and energetic breeds like the German Shepherd and the Doberman. Both dogs are highly trainable, but they approach learning and obedience in slightly different ways. German Shepherds are widely recognized for their incredible intelligence, focus, and work ethic. They have a natural eagerness to learn, a strong desire to please their handler, and the patience to perform tasks with consistency and accuracy. This makes them one of the top choices for professional roles such as police work, search and rescue, military service, and assistance dog training. Dobermans are also extremely intelligent, and they can learn new commands quickly, often after just a few repetitions. They are sharp, alert, and respond well to structured routines. However, they can also be more headstrong and independent in nature. This means that while they are quick learners, they may test boundaries more frequently, especially if their trainer is not firm, clear, and confident. Dobermans require a strong leader, someone who can guide them with both authority and fairness. When properly trained, they are obedient, reliable, and highly responsive to commands. German Shepherds excel in environments where detailed training is provided early and consistently. They thrive on repetition, praise, and task-based challenges. They are methodical and learn best when given jobs to perform. Their loyalty and focus make them ideal for complex roles that require precision, patience, and long-term obedience. They rarely resist training, and they enjoy working closely with humans. Dobermans, by contrast, learn best through shorter, energetic training sessions that challenge their mind and physical energy. They are motivated by rewards and attention, and they quickly get bored with repetitive tasks. They perform best when training is engaging, varied, and balanced with physical exercise. Without mental stimulation, they may develop undesirable behaviors like chewing, barking, or stubbornness. Both breeds require early training, positive reinforcement, and socialization. German Shepherds are more forgiving of mistakes, while Dobermans need consistency and clarity to avoid confusion or defiance. In the right hands, both breeds are extremely trainable and capable of advanced obedience. The key difference lies in how they approach learning and how trainers guide them through that process. 3. Protective instinct. The protective instinct is one of the most defining traits of both German Shepherds and Dobermans. These two breeds are among the most trusted guard dogs in the world, and their natural drive to defend their family, territory, and property is strong. However, the way they express this instinct is different, and understanding these differences is important for any future owner. German Shepherds are known for their calm and thoughtful approach. They are protective, but they tend to assess situations carefully before acting. They are not usually aggressive without cause, and they often wait for direction from their owner. This makes them reliable in high-pressure environments, where good judgment is more important than quick reaction. Dobermans are highly alert and instinctively protective. They react fast to perceived threats and will not hesitate to defend their home or family. They are naturally suspicious of strangers and will often position themselves between their owner and anything unfamiliar. Unlike German Shepherds, who may pause and observe, Dobermans take immediate action when they sense danger. This quick response makes them excellent personal protection dogs, especially for those who want a confident and fearless guardian. German Shepherds bond deeply with their family and are especially gentle with children. Their protective nature often comes with patience and discipline, which helps them remain calm under pressure. They are more likely to use their size and presence as a warning, rather than aggression. When properly trained, they know how to control their strength and avoid unnecessary conflict. They follow commands even during stressful moments, which adds to their reliability. Dobermans are more intense in their protective behavior. They are known for their courage and loyalty, but they require early socialization and firm leadership. Without guidance, they can become overly defensive or territorial. However, with the right training, they are extremely loyal and trustworthy. They are very responsive to commands and remain alert even in familiar settings. They often bond strongly with one person and will do anything to protect that individual. In conclusion, both breeds possess strong protective instincts, but German Shepherds are more reserved and strategic, while Dobermans are bold and reactive. The choice depends on the type of protection you want, and the kind of leadership and training you can provide. Both can become loyal and fearless protectors in the right hands. 4. Family compatibility. When it comes to family compatibility, Both the German Shepherd and the Doberman can be excellent companions, but they fit into family life in different ways. German Shepherds are often praised for their stable temperament, loyalty, and ability to bond with every member of the household. They are calm, gentle, and protective, which makes them well suited for families with children, including young ones. Their patient nature allows them to tolerate noise, activity, and unpredictable behavior, as long as they have been properly socialized and trained from an early age. Dobermans can also be very loving and loyal, but they are more intense in how they bond. They often form a strong attachment to one or two people, which can sometimes lead to favoritism. While they are affectionate and playful with family members, they may be less tolerant of small children or unfamiliar guests if they have not been exposed to those experiences early on. Dobermans thrive in homes where they receive consistent attention, direction, and boundaries. When well trained, they are protective and nurturing, and they enjoy being close to their loved ones. German Shepherds are very adaptable and tend to be more accepting of changes in routine or environment. They enjoy being part of family activities and do well in both quiet and active households. They get along with other pets when introduced properly, and they often take on a gentle, guardian-like role within the home. Their intelligence and sensitivity allow them to recognize emotions, which makes them responsive and supportive toward children or adults in need of comfort. Dobermans require a little more structure to thrive in a family setting. They have high energy levels and need daily mental and physical stimulation. Without enough exercise, they may become restless or demanding. They do best with older children who understand dog behavior and can interact respectfully. With early socialization, Dobermans can live peacefully with other pets, but they may be more territorial than German Shepherds. They also prefer to stay close to their humans, often following them from room to room. In summary, German Shepherds are naturally family-oriented, gentle, and reliable, making them ideal for a wide range of households. Dobermans are loving, loyal, and protective, but they require more structure, attention, and early training to fit well into family life. Both breeds can be amazing family dogs with the right environment and leadership. 5. Energy levels. Energy levels are a key consideration when choosing between a German Shepherd and a Doberman, as both breeds are active, intelligent, and require daily stimulation. German Shepherds have high energy, but they tend to manage it in a more structured, focused way. They enjoy purposeful activity, such as obedience training, agility work, tracking, or other mentally challenging tasks. They are natural workers and thrive when they are given jobs to do. Without regular exercise and engagement, they may become bored or anxious, which can lead to destructive behavior, such as chewing, digging, or excessive barking. Dobermans are also very energetic, but their energy is sharper and more intense. They are fast, agile, and extremely alert. They often display sudden bursts of energy and require physical outlets like running, playing fetch, or agility training. They do not settle easily without significant daily activity. Dobermans need both physical and mental stimulation, and when they don't receive it, they can become restless, pushy, or overly dominant. Unlike some other breeds, Dobermans do not do well in homes where they are left alone for long hours without exercise or attention. German Shepherds are more patient and can work or play for long periods without getting overstimulated. They are well suited for people who enjoy daily walks, hikes, or consistent training routines. They also enjoy playing with children and can be very gentle even during active play. Their energy is steady, focused, and often linked to problem-solving or obedience-based games. They are less likely to become hyperactive indoors if they've had enough outdoor exercise. Dobermans have a higher drive and often need more vigorous activity to stay balanced. They are athletic and powerful, and they love to run, chase, and play with intensity. While they can be calm when properly exercised, they are more prone to pacing, whining, or demanding attention if their energy needs are not met. They benefit greatly from structured activities and do well in dog sports or advanced obedience work. In conclusion, both breeds are energetic and need active owners. German Shepherds have controlled, task-driven energy, while Dobermans have explosive, high-drive energy that needs strong outlets. Understanding these differences is essential, as the energy level of a dog must match the lifestyle and activity level of its owner to ensure a healthy, happy relationship. 6. Shedding and grooming. Shedding and grooming are major factors to consider when choosing between a German Shepherd and a Doberman. These two breeds differ greatly in coat type, maintenance needs, and how much fur they leave behind. German Shepherds have a dense double coat, which includes a soft undercoat and a harsher outer layer. This type of coat offers excellent protection in different weather conditions, but it also leads to significant shedding. German Shepherds shed year-round and experience heavier seasonal shedding during spring and fall. This process, often called blowing coat, results in large amounts of loose fur throughout the home. Regular brushing is essential for German Shepherds. Brushing them at least 3 to 4 times per week helps remove dead hair, prevent matting, and reduce the amount of fur on furniture and floors. During peak shedding seasons, daily brushing may be necessary. Bathing should be done every couple of months, unless the dog gets especially dirty. Too much bathing can dry out their skin. Grooming tools like undercoat rakes, de-shedding brushes, and slicker brushes are useful in maintaining their coat and managing shedding. Dobermans, in contrast, have a short, smooth, single-layer coat. This type of coat is much easier to manage and sheds far less than the German Shepherd's coat. Dobermans do shed, but the hairs are short and less noticeable. Their coat requires only occasional brushing, around once a week, to remove loose hairs and keep the coat shiny and healthy. A grooming mitt or soft bristle brush works well for this purpose. Because their coat is thin, they are more sensitive to cold weather and may need a dog jacket during colder months. Bathing a Doberman can be done once every 2 to 3 months or as needed. Their skin is more exposed than that of double-coated breeds, so it's important to use gentle shampoos that won't cause irritation. Both breeds require basic grooming routines beyond coat care, including regular nail trimming, ear cleaning, and dental hygiene. In summary, German Shepherds require more grooming effort and shed heavily, especially during seasonal changes. Dobermans are lower maintenance in terms of coat care and shed far less. If shedding is a concern or if you prefer a dog with minimal grooming needs, the Doberman may be the better option. However, both breeds benefit from regular grooming to stay healthy and comfortable. 7. Size and build. The size and build of a dog can influence everything from training and feeding to living space and exercise needs. Both German Shepherds and Dobermans are considered large breeds, but they have distinct physical characteristics that set them apart. German Shepherds are solid, muscular dogs with a strong frame and a slightly longer body. They have a straight back that slopes downward toward the hips, giving them a unique silhouette. Males typically stand between 24 to 26 inches tall at the shoulder, while females measure around 22 to 24 inches. Their weight ranges from 50 to 90 pounds, depending on gender and overall health. Dobermans are sleek, athletic, and built for speed. Their bodies are lean and powerful, with a straight, square build that emphasizes agility and balance. Dobermans appear more streamlined than German Shepherds, with less bulk and more definition in their muscles. Males generally stand 26 to 28 inches tall, while females measure around 24 to 26 inches. Their weight ranges from 60 to 100 pounds, with males being heavier and more muscular. Despite their size, Dobermans often appear elegant and graceful in movement, with long limbs and a deep chest. German Shepherds carry more weight in their body structure, which gives them a grounded, solid presence. Their thicker coat also adds to their appearance of size. They move with purpose and strength, often displaying a working dog posture. Their build makes them excellent for tasks requiring endurance and control, such as herding, guarding, or tracking. They are powerful, but their movements are smooth and coordinated. Dobermans have a tighter, more refined frame, and their physical power comes from explosive muscle strength rather than bulk. Their stride is quick and precise, and their posture is upright and alert. This makes them well suited for protection work, agility sports, and any task requiring speed or sudden action. Their slender frame allows them to maneuver quickly, and their long legs give them impressive reach and pace. In summary, both dogs are large and powerful, but the German Shepherd has a bulkier, more grounded build, while the Doberman is leaner, taller, and built for speed. Understanding the physical build of each breed helps owners plan for space, activity, and overall care. Both breeds are strong and athletic, but their different builds suit different lifestyles and preferences. 8. Health issues. Health issues are an important part of choosing the right dog, especially when comparing large, active breeds like the German Shepherd and the Doberman. Both breeds are strong and athletic, but they are each prone to certain genetic and structural health problems. Understanding these risks can help owners prepare for proper care, early detection, and prevention. German Shepherds are known to suffer from hip dysplasia, a condition where the hip joint does not fit properly into the socket. This can cause pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility, especially as the dog ages. Elbow dysplasia is also common and affects the front limbs. Another major concern in German Shepherds is degenerative myelopathy, a progressive spinal cord disease that can lead to paralysis in the hind legs. This condition has no cure and often appears in older dogs. In addition, they may face digestive issues like bloating, also called gastric dilatation volvulus, which can be life-threatening if not treated immediately. Dobermans are also prone to several serious health issues. One of the most well-known is dilated cardiomyopathy, a heart condition where the heart becomes enlarged and cannot pump blood efficiently. This disease can be sudden and fatal, often showing few signs until it becomes advanced. Dobermans are also at risk for cervical vertebral instability, sometimes called wobbler syndrome, which affects the neck and spine and leads to coordination problems and weakness. Like German Shepherds, Dobermans are susceptible to bloat and require careful feeding practices to minimize the risk. Both breeds may experience skin allergies, autoimmune disorders, and eye issues such as cataracts or progressive retinal atrophy. Regular vet checkups, early screening, and a balanced diet can help manage or reduce the impact of these conditions. Exercise is essential for both breeds, but it must be done in moderation and adjusted based on any health limitations. Joint supplements, proper weight management, and responsible breeding are key to preventing hereditary problems. In summary, German Shepherds are more likely to face joint and neurological issues, while Dobermans are at higher risk for heart and spinal problems. Both breeds require proactive health care, routine checkups, and owners who are aware of their unique vulnerabilities. With the right attention and support, these health issues can be managed, and both breeds can live long, happy lives. 9. Lifespan. Lifespan is a crucial factor when choosing a dog, as it affects not only how long the dog will be part of your family, but also what kind of long-term care and planning will be needed. German Shepherds and Dobermans are both large breeds, and like most large dogs, they tend to have shorter lifespans compared to smaller breeds. However, with good care, proper nutrition, and regular veterinary attention, both breeds can live healthy and fulfilling lives. On average, German Shepherds live between 9 to 13 years. Genetics, lifestyle, and healthcare all play important roles in determining how long a German Shepherd will live. Because this breed is prone to joint issues like hip and elbow dysplasia, as well as neurological disorders like degenerative myelopathy, their mobility and comfort often decline with age. Managing their weight, providing joint supplements, and maintaining regular exercise can help delay the effects of these age-related problems. Mental stimulation is also important for keeping their minds sharp during their senior years. Dobermans generally have a slightly shorter lifespan, typically ranging from 8 to 12 years. One of the most serious health threats to Dobermans is dilated cardiomyopathy, a heart condition that can develop without warning and shorten a dog's life dramatically. Regular heart screenings and early detection are essential for managing this risk. Despite their reputation for being energetic and fearless, Dobermans can also face age-related issues like arthritis and spinal conditions, which may affect their quality of life in later years. Both breeds benefit from preventive care, such as vaccinations, dental cleanings, and routine blood work. A high-quality diet, consistent exercise, and a stress-free environment can extend their lifespan and improve their overall well-being. It's also important to buy from reputable breeders who test for genetic disorders, as this can significantly reduce the likelihood of inherited health problems. In conclusion, German Shepherds tend to live slightly longer than Dobermans, but both breeds require responsible care and early health management. Lifespan is influenced by many factors, including genetics, nutrition, exercise, and emotional care. With dedication and attention, both German Shepherds and Dobermans can enjoy many happy, active years with their families. Choosing the right breed means being ready to support their health and happiness at every stage of life. 10. Purpose and lifestyle fit. Purpose and lifestyle fit are essential when deciding between a German Shepherd and a Doberman. Each breed was developed with a specific purpose in mind, and their natural instincts and energy levels should align with the lifestyle of their future owner. A mismatch in these areas can lead to frustration for both the dog and the person, so it's important to consider daily routines, environment, and expectations before making a decision. German Shepherds were originally bred for herding and later adapted for police, military, and service work. Their natural traits include intelligence, discipline, and a strong work ethic. They thrive in environments where they have tasks to complete, problems to solve, or people to protect. They are highly trainable and eager to please, which makes them an excellent fit for active families, individuals who enjoy outdoor adventures, or those involved in canine sports or working roles. German Shepherds need regular physical and mental exercise to stay balanced and happy. They enjoy hiking, obedience training, and structured play, and they also do well in homes where someone is around most of the time. Dobermans were bred as personal protection dogs, combining loyalty, strength, and speed. They are fearless, alert, and naturally watchful, making them ideal for guarding roles and family protection. Dobermans thrive when they are close to their owners, and they form deep bonds that often result in strong attachment to one or two people. This breed fits best with confident, experienced owners who can provide structure, leadership, and regular physical outlets. They require daily activity, not just short walks, but real exertion, such as running, agility drills, or high-energy games. Dobermans also enjoy being part of the household and dislike being left alone for long periods. German Shepherds may be better suited for larger households or families with older children who want a versatile, loyal, and intelligent companion. They adapt well to a variety of roles, including service, protection, and companionship. Dobermans, on the other hand, excel in homes that offer routine, firm guidance, and a close human connection. They are ideal for people who want a protective, elegant, and high-energy companion with strong guarding instincts. In conclusion, both breeds can be wonderful additions to the right home. German Shepherds suit families and work-oriented environments, while Dobermans match best with active, experienced owners looking for a loyal and fearless protector. Matching the dog's purpose with your lifestyle is the key to long-term happiness. In conclusion, both the German Shepherd and the Doberman are exceptional breeds, each with their own strengths, personalities, and needs. The German Shepherd is known for its loyalty, intelligence, and versatility. It fits well into families, adapts to various environments, and thrives when given purpose and mental stimulation. With its balanced temperament and gentle nature, it often becomes a beloved all-around companion. The Doberman, on the other hand, is sleek, alert, and fiercely loyal. It is a natural protector, deeply bonded to its family, and full of energy that demands daily activity and structure. With the right training and environment, a Doberman becomes an elegant, devoted companion and guardian. Choosing the right breed depends on your lifestyle, experience, and what kind of relationship you want with your dog. If you're looking for a calm, reliable, trainable dog that fits well into family life, the German Shepherd may be the ideal choice. If you want a bold, energetic, protective companion who stays close by your side, the Doberman could be the perfect match. Both breeds require time, commitment, and proper training, but with love and care, either can become a loyal and cherished member of your home.